Hey everyone, Sister Michelle here from SisterDIY.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make my children's favorite snack, cookie crackers. These cookie crackers have the texture of a soft baked cookie, but the edges are nice and crispy like a cracker. And with the addition of oat flour and honey, they're a little healthy too. Let's get started. Okay, so for this recipe, you're going to need a food processor. You're also going to need all-purpose flour, oat flour, brown sugar and powdered sugar, salt, baking soda and cinnamon, vanilla, honey, some sunflower seed butter, and some milk. I'm going to start by adding all of my dry ingredients to my food processor and then blend them. Okay, so I had this sitting in my freezer and I completely forgot it in the beginning, but you're also going to need 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to add is my sunflower seed butter, and I don't even measure this, but it's about a heaping tablespoon. Next thing I'm going to add is 2 tablespoons of honey. And then my vanilla. That's a teaspoon. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to add is my milk, and I'm just going to pour it in until it all comes together, and it's about 3 tablespoons. Okay, so next I'm just going to wrap the dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Okay, so the dough rested in the fridge and now I'm going to roll it out. So now I'm going to bake these in a 350-degree oven for about 8 minutes. Once your cookie crackers have cooled, you have the most perfect snack. They're super easy to make, they come together in just minutes, and the texture is perfectly soft and chewy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.